Right, on this setup, we've got our recording bag, all our bits for recording. We've got a portable pump and chemical applicator. Our second pole, which has a sprayer on the end, quite a magical bit of kit. Hose lit up in an area where nobody's going to trip from. Our brush with a 4K cam, sports cam on there. Beautiful bit of kit there. And we've got our tripod. We've got a beautiful view. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. What a day. I believe we've got the moon up there. If we can get that in there somewhere. I'm not sure if that's showing. Here we are on another solar panel cleaning job. As you can see, these are absolutely covered in lichen. Plenty of little growth, interestingly. Brought here by the deposits of the roof, pigeons, Mother Nature. There's a lot of them. Are your solar panels covered in lichen like this? Right, let's get these treated and cleaned. Just need enough for the treatment to work. So when you apply treatment, go from the bottom to the top. Ain't nothing in this world. I know you wanna get down with me. 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 Now this stuff is magical. It does a really good job with the lids. That is quite wet. Now this stuff is supposed to be on a dwelling time of 10 to 20 minutes. On the metro, feels electro. If we get close, we can 10 to 20 minutes. It's a bit hot today. Arcade, set the score higher, come on. I know you wanna get down with me. Disappear in the crowd with me. Get lost in the sound with me. Let's live it up. I know you wanna get down with me. Disappear in the crowd with me. Get lost in the sound with me. Let's live it up. I know you wanna get down with me. I know you wanna get down with me. I know you wanna get down with me. Now that does a pretty good job. Down with me, disappear in the crowd with me. Is that actually lichen? Let's live it up. I know you wanna get down with me, disappear in the crowd with me, get lost in the sound with me. On a dance floor, come on disco, shed your top load, show me how much lower you go. That is just pretty much as good as you're gonna get. No lichen. That's what you're paying for, right? I know you wanna get down with me. Disappear in the crowd with me. Get lost in the sound with me. Let's live it up. I know you wanna get down with me. Disappear in the crowd with me. Get lost in the sound with me. Let's live it up. Oh, I'm quite happy with that. That is quite an amazing result. Let's get up to these top panels and give these a bit of a splash and dash. Stay down, but you wanna be free. Your honey pot's just a little too sticky for me. Hang your crown on the head of my sheets, but I want you better on my
have come up brilliantly, but I am going to give them a second treatment just to take off the slight marks that are underneath. It has left some tiny little impressions in all honesty. I'd rather just get rid of them. So let's give it another little tickle. That will be the treatment used. Give these another tickle. Feel like a bit of tickling. Rainbows. We've got the smell of a beautiful barbecue starting up next door here. One in the British summer. I think that's a very good job. Kitchen proofing is pretty good here. Silt over the surface though, annoying. Think about your cleaners. That would be nice. Now these solar panels are covered in lichen. They're not anymore. solar panels were covered in lichen. They're not anymore.